Chapter 2: The New Yam Festival. The next day, Kemi gathered her friends once again, eager to dive into the vibrant celebration of the New Yam Festival. She had prepared a special surprise for them, and their anticipation filled the air. With a sparkle in her eyes, Kemi began, "Today, we're going to explore the New Yam Festival, a joyous harvest celebration that takes place in Nigeria. It's a time when we give thanks for the bountiful yam harvest and celebrate with colorful traditions." Kemi explained that yam was a staple food in Nigeria, and the festival held great significance in the lives of the people. It symbolized abundance, unity, and the interdependence of the community. Excited to show her friends a glimpse of the festivities, Kemi led them to a nearby field where they discovered a beautifully decorated stage. Colorful banners fluttered in the breeze, and the scent of delicious yam dishes filled the air. As they approached, they saw groups of people dressed in traditional attire, their faces adorned with intricate patterns. Kemi's eyes sparkled as she pointed to the vibrant masquerades moving gracefully to the rhythm of the drums. "These are the masquerades," Kemi exclaimed. They wear elaborate masks and costumes, representing different spirits and ancestors. They dance and entertain, spreading joy throughout the festival. Kemi's friends watched in awe as the masquerades twirled and leaped, their movements seemingly guided by invisible forces. The sound of bells and rattles added a mystical charm to their performance. Feeling the contagious energy, Kemi and her friends joined the dance. They moved their bodies in sync with the beat, their laughter filling the space as they embraced the spirit of the festival. After the dance, Kemi led her friends to a long table adorned with mouth-watering yam dishes. There were roasted yams, yam fritters, and yam porridge, each bursting with flavors and cooked with love. Kemi explained, sharing food is an important part of the New Yam Festival. It brings families and communities together. It's a time to show gratitude and generosity by offering delicious meals to one another. Excited to taste the delicacies, Kemi and her friends gathered around the table. They savored the flavors, relishing the unique taste of each dish. The warmth of friendship and togetherness filled their hearts as they shared stories and laughter. As the sun began to set, Kemi's friends expressed their gratitude for the incredible experience. They marveled at the cultural richness and the deep sense of community embedded within the New Yam Festival. With joyful memories and a newfound appreciation for the significance of the harvest celebration, Kemi and her friends bid farewell to the festival grounds. They knew that they had taken a small step into understanding the beauty of Nigerian traditions, and there was so much more to explore. As they walked home, Kemi and her friends couldn't wait to uncover the wonders of the next Nigerian celebration. They were filled with excitement, ready to embrace the magic of festivals yet to come. And so, with hearts full of gratitude and unity, Kemi and her friends eagerly awaited the next chapter of their Nigerian journey, where they would unravel the mysteries of Eid al-Fitr and experience the spirit of togetherness and sharing.